C# is a strongly typed language. Every variable and constant has a type, as does every expression that evaluates to a value. Every method signature specifies a type for each input parameter and for the return value. The .NET Framework class library defines a set of built-in numeric types as well as more complex types that represent a wide variety of logical constructs, such as the file system, network connections, collections and arrays of objects, and dates. A typical C# program uses types from the class library as well as user-defined types that model the concepts that are specific to the program's problem domain. The information stored in a type can include the following: the storage space that a variable of the type requires, the maximum and minimum values that it can represent, the members, methods, fields, events, and so on, that it contains, the base type it inherits from, the location where the memory for variables will be allocated at runtime, the kinds of operations that are permitted. The compiler uses type information to make sure that all operations that are performed in your code are type safe. For example, if you declare a variable of type int, the compiler allows you to use the variable in addition and subtraction operations. If you try to perform those same operations on a variable of type bool, the compiler generates an error, as shown in the following example. The compiler embeds the type information into the executable file as metadata. The Common Language Runtime (CLR) uses that metadata at runtime to further guarantee type safety when it allocates and reclaims memory.